Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. We got rid of the Sequoia for the Volvo. One, because it's a wagon, and two, Volvo said that they're going to be getting rid of their wagons. So that's really unfortunate because I think wagons are one of the coolest cars out there because it's so practical, especially for a small family. You don't need a Sequoia like I did. Probably one of the car purchases that I was not super happy with, and that's why when this opportunity came up, it was an easy choice. I just had to get it. Obviously, the car looked really good in the pictures. Under the spotlight though, you could tell it needed some love because this is a big black car. It was so obvious where the swirl marks were under the sun, but most people, they won't really care as long as it looks good, looks shiny. But as a professional detailer, if you want, probably the easiest way to attract customers is by having a really clean car. It's all about the smaller details. So for me, the door jambs get cleaned, the trunk jam gets cleaned, gas tank. So people see that, and when they compliment it, obviously then you can tell them you're a detailer, give them your spiel. But yeah, that's a pretty easy way to get customers. It's just by having a clean car. Right there, you can see the swirl marks. The light is just catching it. See? If you look at it on a certain angle, there's a lot of imperfections on it. Alright, so now I have the scan grip on the hood. Now you can really see where the swirl marks are. But then again, this is because it's a direct spotlight. So in reality, most people, 90% of the people maybe, won't even notice any of these swirl marks or imperfections. But if you're watching my channel, obviously you're someone that cares. And so that's why I will show you how I got this paint to look way better than this. Whoever washed this car before me, oh my god, they must have used sandpaper, because look at that. Ew. In this shot here, you could tell the difference. Obviously, the left side has been left alone. The right side is paint corrected. Oh my goodness, look at that. Whoever touched this car before, you gotta start watching my videos, man. If this is you thinking that this is okay. Totally kidding, by the way. We all gotta start somewhere. And I'm glad that you're watching this video. If you're someone that's looking to start a detailing business, let me know. If you have any questions, I can probably help out, or I can find someone that can answer it. But seriously, the paint correction and ceramic coating, that's gonna be where you level up. And from there, you'll just take off like a bird, a baby bird. I also wanted to try this out by Polish Angel. It's called Contour. It's supposed to make the car extra shiny and preps the paint for their coating, which I'll be using. And so yeah, this is a non-abrasive. It's not gonna correct anything. It's more just, like you're brushing your teeth, I guess. In all stages of the paint correction process, make sure you keep your microfibers clean because the car is not protected. It's just bare paint. You just want to be very careful with that. To protect the car, I'll be using Polish Angel Viking Coat, and this is meant to be for colder climates according to Polish Angel. So we'll see. It's going to be winter here pretty soon, but the application process is so easy. If you're older like me, you'll remember the days of turtle wax where you apply it, you wait a couple hours and then buff it out. This is the same exact way. So it's super easy. You won't get any high spots, almost guaranteed, unless you really mess it up. But yeah, this thing is awesome.